Coming up, I want to tell you about how this fabric is helping kids around the world. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing and crafts fun and approachable. Really excited coming at you today as a St. Jude ambassador. Quick disclaimer, this is a sponsored video by St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and Joann's, but I do want to explain that I volunteered for this. As y'all know, I'm pretty selective about which brands and companies I want to partner with. They approached me about this, and I volunteered to talk about this and help spread the word. I am not being paid money for this video. Basically what this sponsorship means is I was sent a fabric sample so I could share with you and sew with it. I also received a really cute St. Jude's pin. It's magnetic actually, so that's pretty cool. And this I was not expecting, but in the package, I literally just got this a few hours ago, and I really wanted to try to shoot this right away so that I could get it out in a pretty timely manner. So I apologize for the lack of a sewing project or tutorial, but I really felt it was more important just to be able to make this and get it out. And I also got a Joann's gift card, again, not something that we had talked about, so that is what this sponsorship means, but this is something that I chose to do. Joann and St. Jude Children's Research Hospital have partnered up and they're doing an exclusive line of fabric sold through Joann. What's really awesome about this fabric line is that the proceeds go towards St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Joann will donate $1.50 for every yard of this fabric sold to St. Jude. If you're not familiar, it is a very well-known, reputable nonprofit organization, and it helps children not just in the United States but also all around the world. They do cancer research, and they also help families who are having children who have serious illness and makes it possible so that they don't have medical bills. Really awesome cause, and what's special about it is that all of the fabric is actually designed by real St. Jude's patients. So this print is called the Fever Fighter, and it's definitely sort of like a superhero type vibe going on. Real fun, bright, bold colors. I checked out the website too to see what else they had. I was really impressed by the talent of these kids, and when you clicked on all of the fabric prints, you could see who designed the fabric and also see a little bit of a bio on each kid. I thought that was really neat, so you could learn more about who designed the fabric. And I think it's really awesome that St. Jude's has found a way to get the kids involved too. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the pin for the rest of the video. You know, I really like that this is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about like getting holes in whatever it is. All right, I'm all pinned up here. And on the back it says, St. Jude is leading the way the world understands, treats, and defeats childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. Families never receive a bill from St. Jude for treatment, travel, housing, or food because all a family should worry about is helping their child live. I didn't even know this, but St. Jude is headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee, so that's not super far away from where I am in Florida, but I've always seen the public service announcements. I remember going to the movies and seeing PSAs, I think starring like people like Jennifer Aniston. So I feel like I'm in good company here, right? So let me tell you a little bit more about St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. The mission is finding cures, saving children. Treatments invented at St. Jude have helped push the overall childhood cancer survival rate from 20% to more than 80% since it opened more than 50 years ago. And we won't stop until no child dies from cancer. St. Jude creates more clinical trials for cancer than any other children's hospital and turns laboratory discoveries into life-saving treatments that benefit patients. St. Jude is where doctors often send their toughest cases because St. Jude has the world's best survival rates for some of the most aggressive forms of childhood cancer. Because a majority of St. Jude funding comes from generous donors, St. Jude has the freedom to focus on what matters most, saving kids regardless of their financial situation. Okay, so down below in the description box, I'm going to be linking to the Joann site where you can find these fabric prints. They are limited, but again, they have really cute prints. I think this would be great for doing stuff like pajama pants or making pillowcases for like the kids or the grandkids. I think the prints are very fun and colorful, and I just really like that there is a story attached to the fabric. The other thing I'm going to be doing is I was given a website where I could create like a donation fundraiser. So I'm going to be doing that and also sharing that down below if you want to check it out. So if you really like this mission, there's a few different ways you can help. You could obviously buy the fabric. I know you don't need another reason to buy fabric, right? Or you can donate directly to St. Jude's through the link I put down below in the description box. And I also want to share that I've decided personally to donate 10% of my Google AdSense revenue for the month of December 2021 to St. Jude's myself. So I will be doing that late January. So how Google AdSense works is I find out at the end of December, how much money I've made through ads here on YouTube, and then I get paid out towards the end of the next month. So I'll be making that donation in late January. I'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know how much it is, but I thought that would be a way I could help out personally. And I'm really very excited to be part of this, and I'm very grateful for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and Joanne to ask me to be a part of this really great collaboration. And again, it's a way to help raise funds for the St. Jude organization. Let me know down below in the description box, what do you think of the fabric prints? And do you think more charitable collaborations like this would be good within the sewing community? I certainly do. And I even said this in a previous video, it'd be great if these big companies started getting together more to do good things like this. Definitely 2 thumbs up from me, and I will put all of the information down below in the description box. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. I'll see you guys again in the next video, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.